In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Murder Mystery 2 on iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I am recording this video on my Android phone, but don't worry, the process of playing Murder Mystery 2 on your iPad is going to be exactly the same. So the instructions that I'm gonna give you in this video are going to apply for your iPad. All that you have to do is open the latest version of Roblox. If you need to update the game, open the App Store and make sure that you have the latest version available in there. Once you update Roblox, just go ahead, open up the game, and use this little search icon to look for Murder Mystery 2. Once again, I apologize for not being able to record on an actual iPad, but regardless, this is what you have to do. Just look for Murder Mystery 2 and tap on this big icon that appears. Usually it is going to be the recommended experience, and you can browse through other experiences, but this is the one that you're looking for. You can confirm that it is the official Murder Mystery 2 experience by the amount of views. As you can see, almost 15 billion and 90% likes. So it is a very high quality, highly voted experience. And all that you have to do now to play is tap the green button to join. Immediately upon joining the experience, you will have to choose the device. You will notice that I already joined Murder Mystery 2 previously, and because I am on a phone, I tapped this option. But if you are playing on an iPad, which is a tablet, you have to tap this one. So make sure that you choose this option instead. If you choose the wrong one, just make sure to rejoin the experience. But regardless, make sure that you choose the appropriate experience or the appropriate option, and everything will be adjusted. You will notice that for me, it is slightly cut off because, like I said, I'm playing on my phone, so I should have chosen the other option, but I'm showing you this from the perspective of someone who is using an iPad. You will notice that everything works. So you have the inventory, shop, spectate, you have the option to do emotes, and you even have shift lock, or the option to lock your camera over here at the top left. So this is all you have to do. Murder Mystery 2 is entirely playable on your iPad or any mobile device, and you will be able to access it on the latest version of Roblox. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Murder Mystery 2 on iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.